So welcome to my new video about Wix Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to add this slider that I created in Figma to your website without any code. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Open Wix Studio, go to Add Elements and choose an image. Here you can change the size of your image. Click Lock, scroll down, click on corners and round them. Now change your image. Click Update, duplicate it, select all and click Stack. Then duplicate them again. Here you can change its position, horizontal or vertical. Add gaps. Okay, now change the images. And now make the stack pinned. By the way, it's a very important feature if you want your element to follow you regardless scrolling. Okay, now go to Add Elements and choose a container. Resize it according to the size of the screen. Add a text. Edit it. Add a paragraph and change the text. Okay, now add a button. Here you can replace the text of the button as well as add a link. Let's change button design here. Round the corners and change the font. Select elements and click Stack. Now we need to add a background image. Stretch it. And add a character image. Let's rename our container for convenience. Duplicate and rename. Black. This will be the container for our next character. Now we need to replace all the current items. Change character image. Change the text colors and buttons. Then duplicate the container again and rename it Red. Now repeat the same steps with the remaining character. Okay, now that all of our characters are done, we need to move all our containers except the first one down. So I have 830 pixels. Move down all the containers except the first one. Okay, now choose the second circle. Go to Animation and Effects and select Click. And change the animated element to the black container. Choose the Move Animation and go to Settings. Here we should change the pixels to the percentage and change to 100. You can change duration to make the animation more smooth. You can click on the preview button to check results. Now choose the red circle and add the same animation. Don't forget to choose the red container here and adjust the settings the same way we did for the preview one. Now we select yellow circle and add the exact same animation. And now a very important thing. Select the first circle, go to Animation and Effects and choose the click. And change the animated element to the black container. And here we choose the reset animation. Now we need to follow the same steps for the red and yellow containers. The white circle reset the black, red, and yellow containers animation. Now we choose the black circle. Here we need to reset the red and yellow containers animation. Now choose the red circle and reset the yellow container animation. Let me know in comments which tutorial you would like to see next time. I left the link to Wix Studio in the description so you can create your own masterpieces.